We're gonna surprise my mom with.
Dogs are...
Oh shit, sorry. Guys, we're gonna surprise my mom with Bruno Mars tickets. She's been wanting this ticket since she was born. She's been up my sister's hole for the entire day. Yeah, she's so sad. She's so sad. We've been telling her we couldn't get tickets, but you know, it's okay. Of course, we can't make it simple. Mom, I heard you didn't get Bruno Mars tickets.
Kaya sabi ko,
We'll try tomorrow.
magbubuk na ako. Tumitingin din ako ng flights namin ni Papa. Anong manifest? Oh. Ito kasing buhang ko eh.
Ma, I tried
it's really
na.
difficult.
It's actually difficult.
Alam mo ba ito?
You try it.
You try.
Hindi ako marunong. Sinaka.
I don't know.
Pakita ko sa'yo.
Oh,
Kasi gusto rin daw
okay.
ni na
Open
Chela.
it, Ma. You should open
Yep.
Who
Yeah.
is that?
Nadampot,
Sino yan?
nadampot ko last
Sino
week.
yan, ha?
Sino yan?
Ayan.
Ha?
Who is that?
Yes, yes, yes! I wanna marry you!
Ano ba? Ano bang kanta?
Practice na nga ako!
One more song.
I wanna marry you.
Yes,
Ayun,
yes,
kinanta mo.
yes.
Ano ba?
I wanna marry you.
Sandali lang.
Ano?
Yung, 1, 2, 3. Asawa ni Maria. Ikaw talaga. Yung kinanta niya sa'yo. Thank you. Ay, sasabihin ko sa kanila. I told you.
It's just you and Dad, okay?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Ano pakialam sa kanila? Basta
Okay.
Basta masabi mo sa kanila.
I'm going. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, go. 1, 2, 3. Asawa ni Marie.
Sinasayaw ko pa yan eh. 24 karat saka yung...
Let's go.
Luwais kayo! I'm so happy. Ano ko to eh, pangarap ko to.
Yeah.
Ito lang yung gusto kong... Yeah, I'll practice now.
Now? Okay. Talaga.
Oh, ito, Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't worry about I have it.
Exactly.
Very good. Sana very you. Tawa ni Marie. 24 karat gold.
Remix.
Meron ba ako na stop?
I am ready is about to set sail. This time of day couldn't get much better.
Your dog, you laugh and you cry and you're fishing your home.
What's that?
Dad, you have mail.
Yeah, man.
Dala-dala bilyo. Dala-dala bilyo. Hawaii.
Ano sa tingin niya yan? Yung Hawaiian.
Ma,
Mama, look, oh, come here.
Come here.
Bruno Mars to eh. Sa Hawaii?
Ano nakasulat?
Wembley Station, no?
Ano
We
nakasulat?
also got the tickets.
Yay!
Ano ba to?
We also
Ano
got
na
the
Kanta na po kayo.
Don't rip me that spine. Yung ba yun?
Wait a minute.
You can have me.
Just like 1, 2, 3.
Don't believe me just time.
Stop!
Please, you're not going to Bruno Mars. We're not going to Bruno Mars.
Is Patty back?
couldn't get much better.
Gonna keep so excited.
Oo.
We want some. The
You
biggest.
gonna marry me. I wanna marry you. 1, 2, 3. Asawa ni Marie.
Do you read me?
Pictures, you know,
Like the emoji?
Oy, okay ka lang.
Like the emoji? Oh.
Ew. What is it? You
Like the emoji.
Yeah. Okay, Sophie.
Come on, man, I do this. Dirty water cause I'm brown.
Bigyan mo ako ng soup. Talaga mabilis yan.
Oh my god, get over it.
Going London to see Bruno Mars.
Bruno!
Bruno, baby.
Bruno, baby!
I'm gonna
Yes.
eat Shaolong bawat. Shaolong bawat. Shaolong
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's our birthday. It's our birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's our birthday.
Speech!
Speech.
No speech.
310.
Hi vlog. Guess what's happening?
Okay, so okay. Ako.
We got the
Ako kakada. Kodadadadada.
Kodak, Charmera. Okay.
The whole box.
The whole box. We got it as a whole.
Oh.
Which one do you want?
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Oh, she wants the...
Wala na, I can't use this na. What the fuck?
I want the red
Oh
one.
my god. What
Pero
about
nakuha mo
you,
sa akin yung
baby?
I want the secret.
Oh. If not secret, what's
But
the...
this is mine.
Okay.
If not secret, the white. White.
Hopefully I get it. If not, I'm gonna swap with motherfuckers.
I think she favorite combination.
Oh wait, but that's gonna be mine.
Oh, is that your black with
Oh, we
LGBT?
can have it though.
No.
No.
What else do you want?
Huh?
Yeah, then I'll have the gray one. Gray with LGBT.
Great LGBT.
Okay.
Open time.
ASMR, you for real? Whisper in my ear.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
My gosh,
No, but we don't want to ski score it. We want to do it properly.
properly.
Do the edit, okay?
Oh yeah, I'll do the edit.
2, 1.
Wow.
Okay, wait, I wanna try the chat GPT.
What?
Ay, sorry, I'm sorry.
Chat GPT can suck my dick.
Okay.
Guys,
Even I open to. You got your one.
I got mine.
I didn't get mine.
Can I have
Look.
Ray wants
Ay,
to do one.
Ito yung blue.
Do you want blue?
Oh, she's doing the...
Are you a digital marketer?
Yay, look at my new camera.
You guys match then. It's like really
I'll probably do a vlog while using
gonna
this.
get my-
Hopefully it goes well.
Ano ba yung ginagawa
Welcome
niyo?
back to the vlog where I
I think you
blocked
should
the
paint
view.
it before you put the TV.
No, but it comes out naman, no? Yung...
Actually, umalis ka nga.
Everything
parang
comes
ano
out.
na
Everything
era.
comes out.
Hindi siya centered.
Look at this, everyone.
For TVs with
Alien.
I think ours is flat now.
Oh shit.
Let's drop something.
But it has to be loud enough now they come down.
Yeah.
Is that loud enough? No, I'm scared, dude. I wasn't ready because they keep. Okay, let's not blame. Let's not point fingers. But I wasn't ready. I said I wasn't ready.
Okay. Ano?
It's a prank. It's a prank. Oh, we did that shit. We did that shit.
Oh, it was so funny, man.
Alien. Alien. Oh my god, I'm an alien. I'm an alien.
Oh, alien cat.
meow 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 meow.